Hi all. So in this video, let's see about the evolution. That is the how the theory of evolution, how we have arrived as a humans on this earth. So evolution. So evolution is nothing but it is a like a fundamental process that will explain the diversity of the life on earth. So we all know the basic definition behind evolution. It is nothing but the process of change in all forms of life over the various generations. So in this picture we can relate to the theory of evolution, how a man arrived on this earth as a human being. So this how obviously behind every theory there is a person behind it. So behind this theory of evolution plays the person Charles Darwin. He has played a very pivotal figure in the history of evolutionary biology. So in 1859 he had published on the origin of species, introducing the theory of evolution. So, Darwin's groundbreaking idea was natural selection, where organisms best adapted to their environment will survive and reproduce. So, this the theory of natural selection. So, he has conveyed this. So, natural selection is nothing but it is the cornerstone of every evolutionary theory. So, it involves the three key components: variation, hereditary, and differential survival or reproduction. So, what is variation is nothing but the difference between among the individuals. Hereditary is like passing on our traits from parents to the offspring. And differential survival or reproduction means organisms better suited to their environment, they leave more offspring. So, natural selection is like a driving force behind any adaptation and the evolution of the new species. So, this is how the theory of evolution by natural selection will take place. So, evidence of this evolution. So, evidence will come from various sources like fossil records. They reveal a historical record of life forms, and comparative and anatomy will show similarities and differences in the body structures among the various species. Embryology will demonstrate shared developmental patterns among different organisms. Molecular biology will give a detailed on genetic similarities and the differences. So likewise with the evidence, comparative anatomy, embryology demonstration and molecular biology, we will be able to find out the evolutionary growth among the humans. And the modern synthesis, like modern synthesis was also known as the neo-Darwinian synthesis. It was a merged Darwin's idea with genetics in the mid of the 20th century. So the key features of this are like Fisher, Haldane, and Wright. They played a very crucial roles in this synthesis, and it provided a comprehensive framework for understanding how the genetic variation will contribute to the revolutionary change. And the controversies that came in evolution is nothing but some misconceptions among about the evolution will include confusing theory in the scientific sense with everyday use, and like misunderstanding the concept of the survival of the fittest, believing that evolution is purely a random one. So these are the few controversies that were that came across the evolution theory study. And alternative theories are like Lamarckism, an early theory of evolution that suggested like few traits could be passed to the offspring. And other early theories like orthogenesis and Saltinism are not widely accepted today due to the lack of the evidence. Like also some other mechanisms have been involved in the theory of evolution. Those are like in addition to the natural selection, other mechanisms like genetic drift, where change sorry genetic drift where chance events will lead to changes in some allele frequencies. gene flow and mutation. So, gene flow is nothing but the transfer of the genetic material between or among the various populations. Mutation is the source of new genetic variation, that is, it will multiply the mechanisms. So, like we can conclude this theory of evolution like it is a evolution is just a fundamental concept in biology that will explain the complete diversity of the life. Like understanding various theories and mechanisms of evolution, we will be able to comprehend the natural world, and it will unify the various fields of biology and will continue to be a subject of research and discovery for lifelong. Thank you.